So over here you can see that I have some storyboards, and you can see that they are in a single scene. So if I want to break up the scene right here, then I'm going to go around over here, right click, and then I'm going to go around and click on split current scene, and it allows me to rename a scene right here and press OK, and you can see that it has been divided. So this is a scene right here, and from over here, as you can see, this is scene A right here, just like this. So you can go around over here, and apart from splitting out scenes, you can also split out panels. So let's say, for example, I want to split out this panel right here. I can right click, and then what I can do is I can split panel at current frame right here, and what happens is that the same panel gets divided into two panels right here, and it is there in a single scene, as you can see. So there's panel 1, panel 2. So in panel 2, you can go around, add in more details right here, which allows you to actually work around, make sure that the timing, the original timing is same, plus you can add in more details at the same time. And that is how you can split panels and split scenes inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.